How to insert icons in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. Open a new or existing design where you want to add icons. Next, on the left hand panel, click on the Elements button. In the search bar, type icons or a specific keyword related to the icon you need, such as social media, arrow, or emoji, and hit enter. Canva will display a variety of icons matching your source. Click on the icon you want and it will automatically be added to your design canvas. After inserting the icon, you can resize, rotate, move, or duplicate it using the toolbar. You can also change the color, adjust transparency, or layer it with other elements and text. For more creativity, combine multiple icons, shapes, and text to enhance social media posts, presentation, flyers, posters, and YouTube thumbnails. Now you know how to insert icons in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.